Hello and welcome to ksgindia.com. Today we are here in this video to discuss about Indian Ocean earthquake data. Scientists have developed a novel method to determine how fast Indian Ocean is warming by analyzing the sound from seabed earthquakes, an advance that may lead to relatively low cost technique to monitor water temperatures in all of the ocean. According to the researchers, including those from the California Institute of Technology, as much as 95% of the extra heat trapped on the earth by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide is held in the world's ocean, making it important to monitor the temperature of the ocean water. In the current study, the scientists use existing seismic monitoring equipment as well as historic data on earthquakes to determine how much the temperature of the ocean has altered and continues changing, even the depths that are normally out of the reach of conventional tools. They assessed a 3,000 km long section in the equatorial East Indian Ocean and found temperature fluctuations between 2005 and 2016 with a decadal warming trend that substantially exceed previous estimates. By one estimate, the scientists said the ocean could be warming by nearly 70% greater than had been believed. The researcher explained that when an earthquake happens under the ocean, most of its energy travels through the earth, but a portion of that energy is transmitted into water as sound. They said these sound waves propagate outward from the quakes epicenter just like seismic waves that travel through the ground, but added that the sound moves at a much slower speed. The study noted that the ground waves arrive at a seismic monitoring station first, followed by the sound waves, which will appear as a secondary signal of the same event. This effect, according to the researchers, is similar to how one often sees the flash from lightning seconds before hearing its thunder. Since the speed of sound in water increases as the water's temperature rises, they found that the length of time it takes a sound wave to travel a given distance in the ocean can be used to deduce the water temperature. The scientists said analyzing earthquakes which happen again and again in the same place can shed more information on the rate of warming. In the study, the scientists used a seismometer that has been in the same location in the central Indian Ocean since 2004. They said this helps them look back at the data collected each time an earthquake occurred in Sumatra, for example, and determine the temperature of the ocean at that same time. Based on the data analysis so far, the researcher confirmed that the Indian Ocean has been warming as other data collected through other methods have indicated, but they added that the ocean might be warming even faster than previously estimated. The ocean plays a key role in the rate that the climate is changing. The ocean is the main reservoir of energy in the climate system, and the deep ocean is particularly important to monitor. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos.